We have to add and subtract positive and negative numbers. Now this is a little bit different to multiplying and dividing. It's got a different set of rules. So you've got to really think of number lines when you think of this. So we start on -8, and you've always got to think that when we subtract, right, we're always going this way on the number line, and when we add, we're always going this way on the number line. That's number one. So we start at -8, and we're going to -9. So we're going to continue going down the number line. So we'll end up on -17. For this one here, we're going to start up at 8, and we're going to minus. So we're going this way, right? So we're going to end up on -1. For -8, now this is where it gets interesting. -8 minus -9. So what we're doing is we're taking away some negative steps. So in effect, we're adding. So a simple rule for you to remember is that when there is a negative and a negative right next to each other, think of it as plus. So -8 will start down the number line past 0, plus 9, which means we're going back this way, will end up at 1. Again, here we've got -8 minus brackets, -9 brackets. Now, we can remove those parentheses. So again, we have a negative and a negative right next to each other, so we think of it as positive. So it's -8 plus 9, which is exactly what we did up here. We start at -8, we go this way on the number line, and we end up at 1. -8 minus, again, negative and a negative right next to each other for adding and subtracting, therefore it means positive or plus. So -8 plus 9, it's the same one we've just been doing. We start on -8, go this way 9 steps, we end up on 1. This one over here, we start off on, this one's a bit easier. -8 plus 9, very simple. We'll end up on 1. 8 plus 9, that's a normal kind of sum that we're used to. And here we have something different again. We have a positive and a negative next to each other. Okay, so we're going to add some negative steps. So in other words, we're going to minus, right? So -8 minus 9. So we start off on -8 and we're going to -9. We're going to keep going down, so we end up on -17. Here again, we're adding and subtracting right next to it. We're going to add some negative steps, so that means we're going to be minusing. So -8 minus 9, we're going to end up on -17. We keep going that way. And here we have a negative and a positive next to each other, so that's positive. So that means this way. -8 plus 9 will give us